Hello people of the world, welcome back to another vlog. Today is a Thursday and brown out sa amin guys. So, umalis po na kami ni Daddy. Sana pagbalik namin is may kuryente na, please lang. So, andito kami sa water refilling station. Dito lang sa labas ng aming subdivision. Dito lang kami nagpapa-refill guys kasi mas mura sa kanilaan, mas malinis and maganda yung customer service compared doon sa loob, sa may looban namin. Which ang tagal namin doon, very loyal kami doon. But lately, hindi na namin nagugustuhan as much as we wanna stay. Not to mention na nag-increase din sila ng kanilang presyo guys. So, na hindi naman talaga dapat kailangan i-increase. Kasi nga, yung tubig na kinukuhanan nila is from the deep well naman sa amin. Is magkano lang naman yung water nun. So, we have to move away from that. We have to have some options. Good thing we were able to find this water refilling station. My only wish is for this refilling station to last really and to sustain their business because we are noticing that they have fewer people compared to doon sa kabila. Maybe because maybe the pay is not that big or we don't know really. But we're hoping that they can really sustain the business because we really need water and water is life guys. So, after here guys, we will go directly to the grocery because we run out of rice. My goodness, you cannot run out of rice guys. And Daddy said that we only have fewer grains na lang for this dinner time. So, sabi ko hindi pwede. Kailangan nating mag-replenish kaagad because these are essentials sa bahay na hindi talaga pwedeng mawalan. Like water, bigas, oil, pwede ka namang hindi mag-oil, pero kailangan pa rin yun guys. Although marami kaming stock sa oil pa. So, the basic essentials of life in order for you to live is really water, rice, and kuryente. Because it's so hard to work guys. How can I work if I don't have electricity, right? And I noticed that there are certain posts here that are being repaired by VECO, by the VECO people. So hopefully they will be done once we come back from the groceries because we're just gonna be out for, let's say, less than 30 minutes. We're just waiting for the water to be refilled because we don't want to leave it behind. We just have to wait because wala naman silang masyadong, they don't have much customers. So we can wait for a couple of minutes. Si Kyang is naiwan sa bahay. Sabi niya, hindi siya sasama. Bakit ka naman siya sasama? Bibili lang naman kami ng bigas. There's no need for him to, and he has mobile data naman sa kanya. So, he can manage and he can survive. So, I'll see you guys again pagdating ko sa either Gaisano or I'll be going to Pure Gold guys. Okay? Babush. And done guys. Total na bill namin 700. Oh, nagkasya talaga yung pera ko guys. God is good. Meron na kaming bigas. Meron kaming chichirya. Meron kaming nagdagdag pala ako ng eggs guys. Isang dosena. Because Tuesday pa ba yung sweldo. And malakas kasi yung family ko guys sa eggs. Labi na si Kian. Malakas talaga siya sa eggs. Kasi he's growing up. Ayan. So, I'll end my vlog pagdating namin sa bahay, guys. Okay? And we're home, guys. Mag-haul ako. Very, very light lang. Kasi ang konti lang ditong na paano namin. Tandali ha. Fix ko lang muna to aking lalagayan. Konti lang yung aming napamili. Huwag mo na i-haul mo na ni Mama. So, we bought some chips. Kasi na-miss namin ng chips, guys. Pakita sa kanila sa dito chips. Yan, konti lang god. So, dalawang ganito. Yung mag-ama ko, gusto kasi nila to. Ako, cheapy talaga ako. I'm a cheapy girl. Ayan. Tapos si Daddy bought, ding dong and happy. Gusto niya kasi ng mga money. Gusto yan ng asawa ko. And clover chips. Yes. Ilagay natin to balik. Walay kinsa ato ng tanan. And then Yung bigas na nabili namin guys is, kasi wala silang Lion Ivory, is, ano ba tawag nito? Kasi nga na nila po, Doña Conchita na blue. Yan. 315 lang yan. Yeah, we will try this one. 5 kilos lang binili ko. Kasi yun lang din yung nagkasya. Tapos, last but not the least, pangatlong supot, ilagay mo na yung bigas niya. Okay, bati kayo ng way sulto. More chips. Dami pa lang itong chips niya na binili. Oh, tortillas! I'll try this one. Na-miss ko to. Tortillas. And then, I bought yung favorite drink namin ni Daddy. Right and Light, guys. Sino yung mga hindi pa nakapag-try nito? You try this one, guys. Ang sarap. They have marami silang varieties. But this one is our favorite, lemon. Yan, lemon. I bought 4. Apat sa amin ni Daddy. I think may 2 pa dyan sa ref. Hindi ko lang alam. I'm not sure. Kasi 6 yung binili ko last time or 5. And last but not the least, eggs. Nag-add ako ng 12 pieces na eggs, guys. And may natira pa palang. Masarap to, guys. Biko. Nabili ito namin kahapon. Ang sarap talaga niya. And eat this one. Kasi nagutom ako. And yan lang po ang aming napamili ni Daddy na ang cost niya around 700 lang. So, that's it for my vlog today, guys. Nung nag-brown out. And I'll see you guys again on my next vlog. Please like, please subscribe po sa mga hindi pa nakapag-subscribe. La Familia Vlogs. Ingat kayo parati, guys, ha. Always. Kasi may bagyo ba yan? Dahil love tayo ng...
Please share nyo sa mga kamag-anak nyo.
Oh, i-share nyo pala itong vlog na to, guys, sa mga kamag-anak nyo. Love tayo ng Panginoon. Babush!